Hey guys, I'm Michelle here, and well, it's been about 3 weeks since I've actually washed my hair, and it's just been neglected ever since. I had done a wash and go, and then after a couple days, I threw my hair up in a ponytail and then a bun, and I've left it there for quite some time. My hair has a ton of gel and butter on it. It's quite dirty and it's dry, and it's now time to actually get with it and revive these curls. So first, I jumped into the shower because I couldn't do any form of pre-poo. I had way too much gunk on my hair. So I jumped into the shower and saturated my hair with some warm water. Initially, I just washed off some of the excess gel until I could actually feel that my hair had much less product on it. Then I went in with a shampoo. I should have clarified, but I didn't do that. I just used a regular old shampoo, and the results were nice, but I felt like I was actually due for a clarification. During the shampooing process, I made sure to really massage the scalp to get any loose, dead skin cells off the scalp, as well as any dirt or debris. I think I used a little bit too much shampoo, but girl, like, it got the job done, so I'm not complaining. Then I rinsed, and then I applied my deep conditioner. I suggest applying your deep conditioner to soak in wet hair or moderately wet hair. I was filming, so like I had to come out to like pause the video and whatever. So don't do what I did. Apply your deep conditioner in the shower to soak in wet hair. You want to really spread the deep conditioner throughout the hair and then detangle your hair. By the way, when I hopped in the shower, I did saturate my hair with some water. As you can see, the deep conditioner has been activated really well. Once I finished applying my deep conditioner, I covered my hair with a plastic bag. Initially, I was looking for it, like, where's this bag? I know I brought it upstairs, but I covered my hair with my plastic bag, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. You can go longer if you want, but a minimum of 15 minutes can get the job done. Once I was done, this was what my hair looked like. My curls were back. They were nice and revived, hydrated, moisturized, and just having a good old time. Then I rinsed. So I went ahead and applied my leave-in conditioner, making sure to really get it throughout the hair and on every single strand. And my hair is really damp hair. It is borderline soaking wet, borderline damp, like somewhere in between there. And I just really applied the product all throughout my hair. And now it's time to style. When it comes to application or styling, I'm going to be using 3 products here. First, I'm going to go in with my DIY hair butter. The link will be in the description box below for that. So you can go ahead and check it out if you want to make this butter. You can use as little as you want or as much as you want, but I tend to use a pretty decent amount because my hair can handle a lot of product. In fact, if I don't use enough, sometimes it'd be like, girl, you know, where the product at? You know, send on. So I go in and really work that butter in, really smoothing the cuticles down, holding the hair taut and stretching it so that every section of my hair is covered with some of this butter. The next product I go in with is my Blue Magic Grease. I love the smell of this. I don't know why, it does something for me, but I like to use this as an occlusive because Blue Magic Grease really locks in hydration and moisture, and it really slows down the process of the water being evaporated or the hair drying out. And I like that. And it adds a significant amount of shine to my hair as well. And lastly, a gel for some hold. Today we're using this Eco Styler gel. I am not going to use a whole ton because I notice when I use too much, my hair takes a while to dry or I get flakes, and I'm not trying to have that, not this time. And then I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teaser, detangle a little bit and smooth it down as I've been doing this entire time. And twist. Just twist the hair all the way to the bottom. And I continue to do this over and over and over again for every single twist until I am finished. That's pretty much it. It's super simple. You've already applied your leave-in conditioner all throughout your hair. Then you're gonna go in with the butter. Once you've applied it and smoothed down the cuticles, you want the hair to be stretched and nice and taut so that the products apply evenly to the shaft of the hair, down the length of the hair, as well as holding it taut will decrease the hair's ability to tangle because you're holding it in place. Then you add your Blue Magic Grease to really get a nice silky smooth texture and shine, and also the occlusive nature of Blue Magic Grease will help to also lock in that moisture even more. Lastly, a gel for some hold. The gel also changes how the curls hang. The gel adds a little bit more weight to the curls. The curls stay stretched much easier because the gel adds that weight, and I like that. And that's along with the hold. The hold is good too. And then you twist and you're good to go. You do it over and over and over again until you're done. Once I was done, this is what my hair looked like. I was loving it. My curls were hanging beautifully. This is the next day. I do cover my hair with a satin scarf or bonnet at nights when I'm going to sleep, and also when I'm walking around in my house. Like, I just keep my bonnet on because why not? My hair is super soft. My curls are bouncy, girl. And you know what I noticed? Like, this shrinkage that I got was really, really amazing, which showed me that my hair was super moisturized. I don't mind the shrinkage because shrinkage is a sign that your hair is healthy and adequately moisturized. And that's all for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.